Good morning. Good morning, Nova. Look at him. Awake this morning and already looking up at the sky. He loves looking at the sky. Nova. Nova, baby. Hey. Hey, little one. Nova, what you looking at? What are you looking at? Nova. Nova, what are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? Are you looking at the sky? You looking at trees? He does this every morning. He wakes up here and he just stares intensely at the sky. Yep, like that. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. That's how you stare. Uh-oh, making a face. Uh-oh. Nova. I'm gonna bother you a little bit. I'm gonna bother you. He doesn't like it when I bother him while he's looking at the sky. He could do this for like a good 10-15 minutes. And then we'll get all fussy again and wants his bottle. Hey, baby, look over here. Okay, I won't interrupt your view. Ew! Somebody just farted. No wonder he was so intensely looking outside. Ew, again. I don't want to see that diaper. Nova. Nova, baby. Okay, I'll let you continue looking outside.